We're at Adam Krutenjury's Puppetry for Everyone exhibit at Damon College of Buffalo, New York. And it is a phenomenal turnout. Check this out.
So happy that I get to be here to see his exhibition, Puppetry for Everybody. It's fantastic. One of the really cool things about being a teacher, especially when it comes to art, is we talk a lot about play, right? You think about play as being like, you know, in kindergarten, but it's actually something that he shows in all of his work. It's got a very playful quality to it. It's whimsical, it's exciting, you know, a lot of color. It really draws your attention. So he's got great power in what he's accomplished and what he creates.
Honestly, Adam is always very meticulous and really conscientious of doing quality work. And he really introduced me to puppetry and the joy of it, and this is great.
Feed me, Seymour.
Which one is your favorite? I like a lot of these ones, actually.
Why are these your favorite?
It's been the most fun, and actually inside technically, like, you do this really fun to perform.